Hello creative kids, welcome back. This drawing tutorial is dedicated to young, budding artists. Today, we'll be drawing an owl, the symbol of wisdom. The steps are simple and designed around basic circles, which will help little artists build confidence and practice their pencil grip. So, without further ado, let's get started. Do you know the story of Ollie, the owl that could not draw? Okay, let me share it with you. Once in a quiet forest, there lived a little owl named Ollie. One night, Ollie decided he wanted to draw a picture of the starry sky. He grabbed a twig for a pencil, some smooth bark for paper, and sat down excited to begin. Ollie tried to draw a moon, but his wing wobbled, and he ended up with a big, messy blob. He tried again, but his star turned into a squiggle. Ollie's feathers drooped. "Maybe I'm just not good at drawing," he sighed. But his friend, Penny the mouse, squeaked, "Remember how you learned to fly, Ollie? You didn't soar on the first try. You practiced." Ollie thought about it and decided to try one more time. He held the twig gently and drew a wobbly moon, a few funny stars, and a tree. It wasn't perfect, but it was his, and he was proud. From that day on, Ollie kept drawing little by little, getting better each time. He learned that even if things are tricky at first, with practice and patience, we can make something special. And Ollie did grow up to be quite an artist, but more importantly, he became the owl who taught others to keep going, no matter how many times they might wobble along the way. The moral of Ollie's story: never give up on the first try. With patience and practice, we can all create something wonderful. I hope you remember his story every time you try something new. Just like Ollie, it's okay if your first try isn't perfect. Keep practicing, be patient with yourself, and remember that each attempt brings you closer to what you're dreaming of creating. So, whether you're drawing, learning to read, or trying something else, don't give up. Amazing things happen when we keep trying. Now grab your pencils and let's see what wonderful things you can create. Happy drawing, little artists! If you enjoyed this and want to see more, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Your support means so much to us. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.